The Dream Giver.
Oh, hi. What's your name?
Erick the Dream Giver.
Eric, do you want to talk to us?
Yeah, what do you want to
Hold
talk
this mic. What is the Dream Giver?
I'm Erick the Dream Giver. I'm trying to help just travel around and do anything I want to. Why is this thing?
Sorry, somebody just followed the channel, so
okay.
Let me turn it down a little.
Are you a live streamer?
Yeah, we're live right now.
Oh yeah, I hang out with a lot of people that live streams.
Nice.
I have some friends. I'm going to VidCon next week, and I'm going to be hanging out with a bunch of live streamers that go. They hang out there. So you live on Twix?
I'm live on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube.
Oh yeah,
we're simulcasting.
My friends like Kick and YouTube.
Yeah. I mean, Kick is sort of a startup. It's getting there. It's kind of the rowdier spot.
And I kind of just travel around helping people with the dreams and do whatever they can.
What kind of dreams have you given people or helped them with?
I helped this guy fit out what he can do with this project.
The toilet guy?
No, like the ethanol guy.
Ethanol guy?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
He's over there.
Oh, okay. I'll get to him.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then I don't know. I've been just talking with people, helping them with their projects, and helping them come up with ideas.
It was Erick? Erick the Dream Giver.
Yeah.
Thanks for talking to us.
And do you do like lots of live streams?
Yeah, I walk around a lot. Like I'll walk around the city, San Francisco, or if I go on a trip, I'll do like a travel stream, or I'll go to like things like this, street fairs, or like festivals. I geocache also.
Oh, geocache.
Yeah.
Do you ever hang out with other streamers?
A little bit, yeah. Like there's some San Francisco streamers that I know. Like there's a guy named Dave's. There's a guy named Bike Curious. There's a guy. Who else is there? Those are my two main ones.
I haven't heard of either.
Yeah, I mean they're not like huge streamers.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. Do you know who Jay Streezy is?
No.
Yeah, most people don't. He's got a big nose, travels the world, but I do IRL, so it's sort of a different space, I think. Do you watch like gaming streamers, or what are your streamers that you like?
Well, I usually watch the streamers I met in real life.
Okay.
I met a bunch of different streamers.
Oh, okay. Do you have a favorite streamer on Twitch or Kick?
I mean, I like Ice Poseidon.
Oh, okay. I saw the scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
So that guy Jay Streezy he was in first one day, but then he was in like fourth. He got close. He was a late starter.
Like a couple people messaged me and say I should do the scavenger hunt, and I was like, oh man, that's
yeah. You really had to commit a lot of time to it, though.
Where is it located at?
It was in Austin, Texas.
See, I gotta fly out to Austin and do all the whole thing.
If you're not a full-time streamer, it's hard to do that sort of thing.
I mean, I could probably do it, but
well, he's doing a new thing. I think he's doing like a Hunger Games thing.
Are you on your YouTube? You said?
I am on YouTube.
And put your name in here.
Yeah, sure.
This is me, everybody.
Erick the Dream. Let me get it on. Erick the Dream Giver. 7,800, dude. You're way bigger than on YouTube. I suck. I only have like 400 followers. Let me type my name in. I'm spacing my name out. There we go. Boom. Yeah, 473. I'm a baby. That's me. If you click right here, you'll see yourself right there.
There I am.
There we go. Thanks, Eric. Good talking to you. Yeah, have a good one. We're gonna float around more.
Well, if you want, do you have an extra phone?
I do. Oh yeah, I can scan you. Yeah. Let's do that. Don't move. Got it.
But if you tap your phone on here,
does it?
It will give you my phone number.
Let's see. Does it? Oh!
You go to that link, it will.
Are you hacking me? Nice.
And then it's like,
cool.
add your contacts.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll follow your YouTube too.
That way you have my phone number and stuff.
Awesome.
And then you can hang out again.
All right.
Are you going to VidCon?
I'm not. I am going to TwitchCon.
Where's TwitchCon?
Well, one's in Rotterdam, not Netherlands, and then the other one's in San Diego.
When is that?
September, I think.
Okay.
Late September.
Well, VidCon is next weekend.
I'm going to Netherlands next weekend. Yeah. Because TwitchCon's the weekend after. So, well, great talking to you. Have a good one. All right. That was fun. Ooh, what do I got over here? Oh.